This guided body scan will help you slow down, tune in, and melt into the present moment, one breath, one body part at a time. In just 15 minutes, you'll reconnect with the sensations beneath the surface and give your nervous system the reset it's been quietly craving. Welcome to Mellow Junction. This is a 15-minute body scan meditation guided experience. Let's begin by arriving. Find a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting, somewhere you can remain still and supported. Allow your eyes to gently close or soften your gaze if that feels better. Begin by taking a slow, steady breath in and a long, gentle breath out, letting the body settle, letting the breath anchor you here. Now, begin to draw your attention down to your feet, simply noticing the heels, the soles, the tops of the feet, any sensations of warmth, coolness, tingling, or even absence of feeling. There's no right or wrong, just being with whatever is present. Now move your awareness to your ankles and lower legs, feeling into the shins and calves, the skin, the muscles, the bones, resting your attention here for a few moments. Now gently guide your attention up to the knees, the kneecaps, the backs of the knees, the space within, letting this part of the body come into clear awareness. Bringing your focus now to the thighs, the front of the thighs, the backs, the inner and outer edges, sensing the weight of the legs, the contact with the floor or cushion beneath. Now moving up into the hips and pelvis. This whole region is the sit bones, the hips, and the lower abdomen. Perhaps noticing pressure, movement, or stillness. Meeting whatever is here, just as it is. Now guiding your awareness to the lower back, the lumbar spine, the muscles surrounding it. Simply sensing. If there's tension, notice it. If there's ease, notice that too. Now slowly shifting to the mid-back and upper back. The shoulder blades, the space between them. Let your breath gently touch this area from within. Now bringing your attention to the belly and chest, rising and falling with each breath, feeling the subtle movements, the rhythm, noticing how it feels to be breathed. Now guiding your awareness into the shoulders, noticing sensation or tension, allowing whatever is there to be there without needing to change it. Now moving down the arms to the upper arms elbows, forearms, feeling the aliveness in this space. Now into the hands, the palms, the backs of the hands, each finger, a place we often use but rarely feel. Now gently drawing your awareness up to the neck and throat, sensing from the inside, perhaps aware of the breath moving through. Now to the face and head, the jaw, the cheeks, the eyes, the forehead, letting everything soften just a little, noticing any expression being held here. Now, for a few moments, allow your awareness to rest with the body as a whole, from head to toe. A field of sensation, aliveness, presence, resting in this wholeness. And as we come to a close, gently returning your attention to the breath, to the space around you, wiggling fingers or toes if you like. If you like, or toes awareness with you into the rest of your day.